Alright guys, so today I'm going to do a quick demo on how to get text alerts for Pacific emails. A really cool tool we found that is easy to use, and the best part is it's completely for free. So let me show you how to get started. First thing is you want to go on Google, search for Gmail SMS text alerts. That first one that pulls up is from Cloud HQ. Make sure you go there and install the Chrome extension. So when you install it, you're going to get this little icon that says SMS down here. So what you want to do is click on that and then click on the button create an account, and you want to log in through your email. So we're going to use for this example our administrator email from Kaydoh. Going to click on that. It says here, do you want to allow? Yes, you want to allow. And let's see what happens here. All right, so let's take a look. Now that we've signed up, we're going to click on here and it's going to ask us, give us a text message to send alert. So I'm going to use our number here as an example here. Send me a confirmation code. So I'm going to get a text message shortly here. There we go. And the code is 130327. So I'm going to click on confirm, and that is going to link my phone to the alerting system. And now I'm going to create a brand new rule. In here, I just want to say any email that comes from, let's say, sales@kaydoh.com, I want to get an alert. Now, if I want to have specifically look out for an email, let's say the subject title that has urgent or demo, then I can add that in the subject section here, and it will look for that as a rule to send me a text message. For this example, I'm going to keep it real simple. I want every email that comes from the sales team, I want to get a text message. So I'm going to save that as a rule, and that should do it. That's all I need to do. So I'm going to click on close. Now on my end here, I'm going to send, on my other screen, I'm going to send a quick email coming from the sales team to the administrator account. And on the left-hand side here, I'm going to get a text message once that happens here on the left-hand side. So I'm going to go ahead and just shoot that email out. Go here and do a quick refresh. All right, so there you go. So if I go here and look at my phone, I get the text message, and if I look at that, it says here, I would like a demo. When's a good time for us to set up a quick Kaydoh demo from James Joe? So right away, I got my text message. I see it here in my inbox here as well. This is the email that was just sent, and it works perfectly. And it doesn't send like instant, but within the first minute, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, you're gonna get a text message from the email that you're looking for. So hopefully you guys can use this. And again, it's called Cloud HQ. If you just do a Google search, go to google.com, just say Gmail SMS text alert, download the Chrome plugin, self-authenticate yourself, and then just go ahead and get over here, set yourself a new rule, and you'll get a text message. As simple as that. So hopefully that was clear. We do have step-by-step instructions below, so we'll provide that as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at kaydoh.com. You can live chat with us, ask us any questions, need help with marketing, social media, just send us a message. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.